$6 a vehicle. Free with ka-ching! Hello.
How are you?
Hi. So we just got the lowdown from the person back at the booth. She gave us some recommendations about where to hike. She said, how many manatees did they count this morning? Like 20-some?
Yeah.
I think 20-some manatees that they've seen in the spring here. She said the most they've counted is close to 200. She said there's also another trail where there should be some scrub jays. If you know me, you know I like to try to find scrub jays. So we'll see what we can find here. So last night we had a great time with our family. And as you saw when we came in the park, now we're checking out Volusia Springs State Park. It's in Orange City, Florida, I think, north of Orlando. I'm not quite sure how far away from Orlando. Probably like an hour and 20 minutes or so. And it's supposed to be a great place for seeing manatees, one of the best places for seeing manatees. Our recommendation when you come to this park is to get here earlier in the day because it seems really popular and the parking lot gets filled up pretty quickly. So we're here, I think it's around 11. There weren't as many cars here when we first got here, but now it's quickly filling up. All right, let's see if we can find us some manatees. This is a really pretty place to see manatees, but also just to walk around. So the springs stay at the same temperature year-round. So when the temps drop in the air, the manatees come in this area to get warmed up. So the temps dropped last night, so it was a perfect morning to come see the manatees.
Audra.
Yeah.
I found dinner.
Fish for dinner. Grill it up. Look at the fish coming this way. So 100 million gallons of water pour out of the Blue Spring each day. One of the largest springs in North America. That's pretty cool. Literally.
She says that because
Oh.
it stays at 73 degrees Fahrenheit year round.
No, he's not Superman. So don't worry.
It's nothing short of fascinating how much water is coming out of there on a daily basis. Something to think that this happened just because someone didn't call before they dug.
Hey, buddy.
Just passing through, huh?
Here's some resurrection fern that's had moisture. It's looking pretty and green. Look at this cool green moss growing.
I found some cool green stuff over here.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Look at that.
Fun fact for the day. Did you know that moss only grows on the north side of things?
Always?
Now you know.
Always?
100% of the time.
All right, so we saw some manatees. Now we're gonna look for some scrub jays. Pretty blue Florida scrub jay. Check this out.
Some real interesting footprints in this area.
Maybe it's a pterodactyl. I wonder if it's a boar. No, a boar wouldn't be more like a hoof. Maybe it's not deer. I don't know what that is. But there's an area back there where it looks like something was digging. It's very quiet out here. That's so funny. It's really quiet out here. We don't hear any birds. I kind of gave up hope of seeing any scrub jays. All of a sudden, I just see these two, like, perfectly posed for me. So we've been seeing these, but the other ones, didn't they have like two little dots like here also? So what do you guys think this is? And then look over here. Something's definitely been digging around. Maybe it was wild boars looking for truffles. Manatees? Check. Scrub jays? Check. Now we're off to see some really green springs. Check. Good to know for future. There's a nice trail here for biking. I'll have to check that out sometime. I like it in here. Magical. So we hear a bird. We don't know what we're hearing. So I'm going to use the Merlin app. It's not picking up any birds. I don't know why.
It's a squirrel, Audra.
What? It's a squirrel? I thought it was a bird. I guess that would explain why there's no squirrels being picked up on this. So we're looking for the green springs, and I think we found it. It's pretty obvious. Look at that color. I was afraid it wouldn't be colorful today because the sun's already down a little bit, but check this out. Isn't this awesome?
Do not adjust the color on your phone. This is natural. Don't fall into the swamp monster.
I'm not quite sure who would want to swim in this, but I did just see fish. I was actually surprised to see that there's fish in here since it's sulfur. Maybe another good reason not to swim here. They got these roots here. That's crazy. So this is definitely a very cool park. Love the green water. The trees here are beautiful. We had the little treat of seeing the little alligator. Pretty cool. What do you think about the park?
I think the water's green. I wonder if it tastes like green Kool-Aid.
You should probably taste it. And it's free, so that's a nice bonus.
Audra?
Oh, is this a papaya? I don't know. This could be a papaya. Maybe not, but it kind of grows like a papaya. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? We just walked across the street from Green Spring and found this little spot. It's gorgeous for sunset. So the road is right up there. We just walked down right here by the water. Alright, Steve went to get the van. I'm gonna go see if I can find him. Get back up on the road. Here he comes.
Hey, good morning everybody. We had a nice, quiet, restful night at Cracker Barrel.
And we have the same neighbor we had a couple nights ago in Orlando. Alright, so this morning we are going to go into Cracker Barrel for breakfast. Thanks to our friend Safety Sue who gave us some gift cards. We don't have any breakfast food left in the van, so that works this morning. And we also are in no rush, so we're going to take our time, have some breakfast, and then probably explore another park this morning. There was a bit of a wait, so we put our names in and went outside. So we just realized it's been so long since we played checkers. We don't remember how to play checkers. I don't remember the rules. I don't know if you can jump yourself. I know you can move like one forward.
Who cares how you play? It's how much fun you can have.
Mr. Giant Bug. Christmas bug. You're amazing.
I'm gonna get some Mama's French toast.
I'm gonna get the old timer's breakfast because I'm an old timer. Here's our bounty. Yum. Steve's French toast, bacon and eggs, yum. Except I'm having some truffle.
Bacon. All right, well, that was very tasty.
Yes, it was. Thank you, Safety Sue.
Yes, thank you very much for the gift card.
All right, now we're on to the library, right? Get some work done and then go to a state park. So there's this really long turning lane. I think it's because in the summer when they have the tubing, the park gets really full. They have to close it actually. So there's a lot of people waiting to get in. So we have people in hats here and in jackets like us, probably Floridians. We've got someone just in swim trunks and people swimming. So, Steve's usually a wuss when it comes to cold water. Let's see what he thinks of the water here, the temps.
You know what? It's really not too bad.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you think it's warmer than the springs where we were?
Like it.
Or is it because the air's cold?
I would
colder?
say it wouldn't feel like that tremendous shock. Maybe because it's a little colder out today.
Yeah, it doesn't feel cold at all. I wonder if it's colder near the spring.
Guess it can't be too bad if people are out there swimming.
That's a robin. So we're back at the van, probably because of the weather. There's not tons we'd like to do here at the park, so we just sat on the boardwalk for a little while and relaxed. Now it's time to do a little bit of van chores. Time to fill up the water jug a little bit, just in case.
Feels like it's about half full. One bad thing about these jugs is there is no indicator on them, which I wish there was, like a little reading on the side or something would be nice, but so you kind of have to go by feel or the old school peekaroonie. So one thing I've learned about van life is you want to be aware of opportunities to restock your supplies. This park has a nice shower right outside one of the bathrooms, and it has a nice little foot wash that I think is a perfect size to fill up the bottle.
Well, that's it for this video. We're going to leave you here. I guess you'll have to tune in next time to see if I was able to fill the bottle or not. What a cliffhanger. Until then, remember to be courteous to strangers and to yield to pedestrians in the crosswalks. Now enjoy these outtakes.
Oops, sorry. Fun fact for the day.
Nope. Alright, now do it.
I've only got so many finger points in me.
Okay.